Welcome back to the channel, everyone. You join me on the 11th of May at about 5:30 in the morning. Today is the day that I collect the K-Swap Civic. So the reason why I'm up so early, catching a train or two trains to Droitwich Spa to Onamission, and then I'm going to jump in the car in the K-Swap EK with Dale, his missus Amy, and then one of their friends Tom. And they've Amy's got a DC5, Tom's got a DC5, and Dale's got his K24 EGR and throttle bodies, and we're all booked in to Cafe in the Machine today. This has been on the cards for quite some time now. Of sort of a final completion day to basically all go Cafe in the Machine, park up the cars, grab a drink or some food or something like that, and just look at the completion project that's been in process now for nearly 3 years. So let's get this day going. K-Swap, baby. On the last video, it was the issue with the rear trailing arm being slightly bent, so therefore not being able to be aligned by One Day Motorsport. So thank you to Honda, thank you to One Day Motorsport, thank you to Onamission for all coming together, finding rear trailing arms. We ended up with two sets in the end. Mine taken apart, Dale rebuilt the new ones up. Dale put one on the side that was a bit bent, then realised that the other side was now about 2 mil out. So this rear trailing arm side continued. So then Dale swapped the other side as well. So we've now got two new rear trailing arms on the back that have just been powder coated. Dale made the correct decision. I think Amy was involved as well. So thank you both Amy and Dale for saying to get the car detailed. They've been using someone called Ants Detailing in Starbridge, I think it is. It was the best decision for sure. I'll show you the car obviously soon, but the pictures that I've had and the video that I've had, just absolutely unreal. I've never seen the car so clean in my life. I didn't think that it could look as clean as it does. So the car is now taxed, the car is now insured, it's MOT'd, so thanks a lot for Russ at Honda for sorting that. Today's going to be a good day, absolutely buzzing. So we're now at the train station waiting for train 1 of 2, and I just thought I'd show you something that I've been holding on to for over 2 years now. I've wanted one of these Awesome Sauce air fresheners for well over 10 years now. So I've had a bit of a nightmare. The train going to Birmingham from Leicester was delayed by 20 minutes, which means that my train to Droitwich Spa from Brum, I wasn't going to make it in time. So thanks a lot to Dale for letting me know about another station. So just had to buy another ticket, and I'm now at Birmingham New Street Station and about to get on to another train. So 3 trains. Wish me luck. Made it. Oh don't be teasing like that, what are you doing? Oh my days.
There she is.
Look at that. God, it looks absolutely unreal. The paintwork looks amazing.
It's really red, isn't it?
Yeah. We're here now. The car looks absolutely incredible in the flesh. I've obviously seen some pictures that have been sent over, but Dale and Amy kept saying they've never seen a redder car, and I don't think I've seen a redder Civic ever. The paintwork looks absolutely unreal on it. Unreal. Here we've got the K24 EG Civic that's going to be coming out of us today. Here we've got Amy's DC5. Oh yeah. 3 years in the making, and today is the day all three are going to go out. K20 EK. K24 EG on throttle bodies, full Mugen DC5. Look at the engine bay now, it's been cleaned as well. Oh my days.
Right.
Look at the shine on the engine bay.
Non-shine on it.
K24 on throttle bodies. Mugen DC5. Absolutely beautiful. It's time to put it in. Finally time. We're waiting nearly 3 years to stick this in, or even longer than that, to finally have an awesome sauce in a K-swapped Civic. We're waiting for them to smell them. I was hoping they'd smell better, but they smell alright. K-swapped. Nice.
Hey, who this? I'ma pull up in a brand new day. With this, go hard up, dollar do pay. Hey, who this? I'ma pull up in a brand new day. With this, go hard up, dollar beep beep.
It's time to drive the K-swap for the first time. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Here we go. Alright, let's do it. Oh, this has been a long time coming. Very warm in here. I would love to have the window down, but I don't want to ruin the video with wind noise. We are leaving private land, going on to the public roads. Oh man, the gearbox feels amazing. Wow. Oh man, Amy's car looks unreal in the mirror. Cannot believe that I'm driving my K-swap. I've definitely got to get some seats and a steering wheel, because whilst it's nice to drive with this big old steering wheel, yeah, I want something a little bit smaller and a bit more sporty. Oh man, the shifter feels unreal. It drives really nice. It's smooth. It's not, you're not bouncing all over the place. It's not really loud. Oh, I've been waiting so long for this. This is unreal. It's been well over a year since I've driven anything that's over 115 horsepower, which is the Mazda. Oh, and the power steering. Power steering is great. So glad I went with power steering. Oh, I can't quite get over how cool this is. It's been so many years since I've been in a convoy of Hondas. I mean, obviously with the Skyline, we did a couple of convoys to Jap Fest and stuff like that, but obviously not in a Honda. And I'm currently with a K24 EG and a full Mugen spec DC5, and I'm in sandwiched in between them. Pretty amazing. Everything seems alright on the gauges. 80 psi pressure for oil, 14.5 on the wideband, and about 145 Fahrenheit on the oil, which I've no idea what that is at the moment, but from memory I think 200 or something, or 200 something was, yeah, 100 or something. I've got to look back, but yeah, I think we're looking okay. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I've been going through so much shit at the moment, just in, yeah, multiple different areas of life. And Dale said to me, trust me mate, when you get out in this car it'll all just be forgotten. And I think he's right. So we've got about probably half an hour left, I think, on the trip to Caffeine and Machine. We're running a little bit late, we should be there for 12 to 3. Yeah, I think due to the trains and everything like that, it's really not helped, but we're making it, we're making it. Right, we've just put some fuel in. Don't know if you can see, but I am shaking. What an absolute adrenaline rush. I think it's just a case of being really happy about it, really excited. Sort of long time project coming to the point of where I can drive it. It's just unreal. I wish you could see Amy's DC5 in the mirror. I'm not sure if the camera's going to get it because it's quite a wide lens, I doubt it, but Amy's looks so good in the mirror. But what a day for it to be on. The sun's shining, the roads are dry, I'm surrounded by Hondas, and I'm driving my K-Swap. It's a pretty special day.
So, you might be wondering why there's a picture on screen right now of the car on a trailer. The drive was going absolutely amazing. I was enjoying the first drive. It was incredible. After about, I don't know, 20 minutes, half an hour of driving, I noticed an engine light. And I thought, wow, you know, it's got a new ECU, just been tuned, everything's new, sure it's nothing to worry about. Then the paranoia kicked in and I was like, I've just spent all this money, let's just double check. So I pulled over. Dale was in front, so he had gone off. Amy was behind me, luckily. Pulled off into a side road in country lane, opened up the bonnet, and coolant everywhere, all over my beautiful detailed engine bay. Bright blue coolant dried everywhere. Basically, a part of the engine where coolant goes into had vibrated loose and sheared a bolt in half. Therefore, leaving coolant all over the place and not being able to drive the car because coolant was leaking everywhere. So Dale then had to drive back to the unit, pick up the trailer, come back in the truck, pick up my Civic, and then Dale was an absolute legend in the blistering heat, worked on my car, figuring out what to do, and got it running again. And then basically spent however long taking it for a test drive with me, and then him and Amy literally followed me home about an hour away. So thank you so much to Onamission for A, fixing the car, B, being alongside me the whole time, being able to trailer the car back and forth. And make sure you all tune into the next episode, because things are about to get a little bit more positive.